but at around £2,000. You might want to wait. By Andrew Orlowski, 25 Feb 2019 at 10:20. MWC Huawei's foldable phone made its debut at Mobile World Congress on Sunday, and it's the most impressive attempt yet at creating a new consumer device category, the phone that becomes a tablet. Following Samsung's Galaxy Fold, unveiled last week, it's one of several devices using folding OLED displays expected to be on show here at MWC. Some are concepts, and some, like Huawei's Mate X, will be real, if hard to obtain, products. Samsung's folds in, like a paperback book, while Huawei's folds out, back and away from you. Closed, it folds perfectly flat, with no gap. The Mate X puts much of the electronics into the hinge, which forms a natural handle, making it easy to hold. It pops open thanks to a button. And there's no cutout or notch, unlike the Galaxy Fold. The Huawei contender also includes enough 5G-ness to be legitimately called a 5G phone. The price is high, €2,299 from mid-year. And Huawei will ship this mainly through 5G carrier partners. Neither Samsung nor Huawei felt confident enough to allow journalists to handle one. One unit was available to be photographed, but not touched. The main, flexible display is a 2200 x 2480 panel, compared to Samsung's 1536 x 2152. When closed, the flexible OLED can offer discrete displays front and back. One becomes the 6.6-inch display, 19.5:9, offering 1148 x 2480, and when activated, a secondary 6.38-inch panel on the rear offers 892 x 2480 pixels. Since this is a phone where the display is always on the outside when folded, it invites questions about durability. Huawei boasted that at 5.4 mm thick unfolded, it is slimmer than a new iPad Pro, and this is where the value proposition lies. Taking a tablet gives you the benefits of more immersive viewing, but carrying it around requires an additional bag and using it can be clunky in a limited space. This you can put in an inside jacket pocket. Inside is Huawei's own high Kirin Belong 5000 5G modem chip and Kirin 980 application processor. A quad 5G antenna design allows theoretical downloads of up to 4.6 Gbps/s, thanks to carrier aggregation and uplink/downlink decoupling. The gasps in the audience were palpable when Huawei finally revealed the price of the Mate X folding smartphone. €2,299. Wow! #MWC19pic.twitter.com/UZZYUNLZG Ben Wood, @BenWood, February 24, 2019. Given the investment, we're not making money on this, admitted Consumer Business Group President Walter G. at a subsequent briefing. In 2 or 3 years the price will come down dramatically. In 5 years it should be mainstream. The choice of the 4500 mAh battery pack may cause concern. That's only a little larger than the 4380 mAh Samsung has included in its first foldable. Then again, only occasionally will 2 screens be on at once. New 55W charging should allow the battery to go from 0 to 85% in 30 minutes. Many of the first units to be sold will surely be snapped up by business professionals on expenses, and Huawei talked of an immersive mobile office experience. Wrap this inside a keyboard case and it potentially makes a nice laptop alternative. But this requires some thoughtful UX design and for apps to be adapted. Samsung has a head start here. Still, foldables are a gimmick no more. And on that day when the price comes down to earth, they could start to be quite jolly useful. Registered tips and corrections.